is Jordan. I'm going to be doing a unicorn crate that my mommy ordered for us. Me and her, that is. Unicorn Crate, June 2017, Storms and Secrets. That sounds really cool. Okay, I got a little helper again, Micah James. Come on, keep going. Ooh, a soy candle. It says it's the scent of stormy reeds. It smells so good. Smell.
It's good.
See, he thinks it's good too. Whoa.
That. Chewy snack.
That's not chewy snack.
What's that?
Ooh, a chime. Don't mess with that. Stop. And you hang it right here.
Mommy.
Let me hold it. And then there's the unicorn at the bottom. You hold it. Okay, don't. Go show Mama. Okay. And then there's this greeting weather bag I got. That's pretty cool. And then there's this unicorn crate necklace. That's pretty cool. It's a thundercloud.
Oh.
Look, I got a little bookmark that says, "I'm not afraid of storms, for I'm learning to sail my ship." And then I got little cloud, little post-its.
Post-it?
Unicorn socks! That is so cool. It's a working unicorn, and she cut open a cloud, and then there's a rainbow.
Mommy, see rainbow. Rainbow.
Oh my gosh. It's a book. Oh my gosh.
A book.
Hey. Oh, come on. Happy reading.
Smell.
Let's see what it is.
Have a smell.
Let's scoop this stuff. And
Smell. A smell.
Good.
Good. Smell is good.
You want to unwrap that for me? I'm going. I got a book, and it's called Roar by Carmack. Look at how cool it is. I like the cover. And then I got a...
Let me see.
Hold on.
Let me see.
I got this from the author, and that's all. And thank you for watching. Bye.